Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new address to Grubhub. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you moved new addresses and you want to go ahead and add that address to Grubhub. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Next, click on Addresses. Next, click on Add New Address. And this is where you're going to enter your address. So simply enter your address, apartment number, city, state, postal, cross street. You can also label it as a work, custom, or home address and then click on Save. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a new address to Grubhub. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.